Welcome to another Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically generate student transcripts using the Fantaskool application. To get started, you first need to log in to the admin account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the admin dashboard. From there, go to the sidebar and click on the Reports section. Then select Transcripts, and the transcript interface will open. On this interface, you can choose whether you want to generate transcripts for an individual student or for an entire class. If you are generating a transcript for a specific student, simply type the student's name in the search field. As you type, the system will automatically display matching names for you to select. Next, select the appropriate class that should appear on the transcript. For example, choose from Form 1 to Form 5 for the first cycle, or Lower 6th to Upper 6th for the second cycle. Once everything is set, click on the Generate Transcripts button to create the transcript. Finally, click on the Print PDF button to download and print the transcript. And that's it. Your transcript is ready.